stop us all.
We will have to fight. For us and for our home.
But they are thousands, and we have only a few men.
They're gonna kill us anyway. Why not die defending our home? What about the help you said you were gonna get for us? I am sorry, but no help is coming our way. What is that coming toward us?
No surrender.
No surrender!
That was amazingly good, right? And once you understand how easily I was able to make this, you'll be shocked. Now, as we all know, OpenAI Sora 2 has been discontinued by OpenAI. That means for now, Seedance 2 is the only video generator that can truly make your videos look, well, not AI generated, at least until we get something like VO4 or another breakthrough. And here's the crazy part. There's still no official confirmation on when Seedance 2 will be available globally, but I'm going to show you how you can get access to it right now and start generating amazing content before anyone else. Today, I'll walk you through, step by step, exactly how I made this video so you can create something like this, or even better. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Alright, the tool I used to create this entire video is called Visina AI. I randomly stumbled upon this website while actively looking for Seedance 2, and I must say, I'm super impressed with all the features they offer. It literally made my life so much easier. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I'm sharing this purely from my personal experience. So, Visina AI team, if you're watching this, you guys are doing an awesome job, and make sure you watch till the end because you'll understand exactly why I'm praising this tool so much. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. From here, click on the Go to Studio option, and it will take you to this interface. Now, this is the section where all the magic happens. For my video, the first thing I did was create the images, and let me show you how easily I was able to do that. The first step is giving it a prompt. I kept it very simple, just a quick description of what I wanted, nothing too detailed. Now, here's the best part. This section lets you choose whether you want to create a single shot or a grid image. I selected the grid option, which creates multiple scenes within one image. Next, you can choose whether you want a scene sequence or multiple angles. I went with sequence, which automatically creates a story flow with the same character and scene consistency. It's honestly amazing. After that, you can select the number of grids you want. I chose a 3x3 grid, which generates 9 scenes in one go. Isn't that awesome? The best part is, you don't need to write long, complicated prompts to create high-quality scene sequences. Just write a simple prompt, choose your settings, and we're gonna leave the rest to Visina AI. Finally, select your aspect ratio and image quality, and then just hit generate. And here's the output. Just look at this. This is amazing. It has created a full sequence while maintaining the same character and scene consistency. It perfectly understood what I wanted and generated a complete visual story. It even labeled each shot, which is super helpful. And overall, the image quality is exactly what I was going for. Dark and cinematic. Now, let me show you how easily you can extract the images. It's pretty simple. Just click on the grid image, and from here, select the extract shot option. You can choose extract all, which will pull out all 9 images at once. Or, and this is my favorite feature of the entire tool, you can manually select which shots you want to extract. That's exactly what I did. Just pick the shots you like and hit extract. Isn't that awesome? You can also extract shots directly from here if you want, which is pretty neat. So this is basically how I extracted the shots based on my preferences. Now, for a few scenes, I used the image-to-image option to create variations. Let me show you how. For this particular shot, I wanted a close-up of the soldiers standing, so here's what I did. I clicked on Use as Input, which added the image as a reference. Then I wrote a simple prompt to create a zoomed-in shot while keeping everything else the same. This time, I selected the single shot option and hit generate, and that was pretty much it. Using this technique, you can create as many different scenes as you want with full control. And if you guys want a detailed document containing all the prompts I use for both images and videos, let me know in the comments. I'll add the document in the description. Once the images were ready, I went ahead and created the videos. To create videos, simply head over to the video section. From here, make sure image to video is selected and then upload your scene image. You can also use the first and last frame option if you want more control over transitions. Next, I used a very simple prompt just describing what I wanted. Seedance 2 is already very smart, so there's no need for extremely detailed prompts. From here, make sure Pro is selected as it uses the Seedance 2 model. I kept the resolution and duration on default. Then, you can choose whether you want background music or not. I selected no background music because I prefer adding my own later. This also helps when stitching multiple clips together without clashing audio. Honestly, this tool really understands what creators actually want. It's amazing. Then just hit generate, and here's the output. That was superb, right? Everything is on point, and it genuinely looks like a scene from a movie. Not gonna lie. This is as real as it gets right now. Here's another example. This scene includes dialogue, so I simply wrote what I wanted the character to say and again made sure background music was turned off. And here's the output.
What about the help you said you were going to get for us?
Exactly as expected. Amazing and natural dialogue delivery. No wonder tools like this are making waves in the industry. Now let me show you how I created the transformation scene. I uploaded the first and last frame images just like this, added a simple prompt, and hit generate. And this is the output. I honestly have nothing to say, you be the judge. Doesn't this look like it's straight out of a Transformers movie? And it was created with just one prompt. Crazy times, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, once all my clips were ready, I imported everything into CapCut, did a bit of editing, added a filter, background music, and that was pretty much it. So there you have it. You now know how to create awesome videos like this. Make sure you go and try Visina AI. Once you use it, you won't feel like switching to anything else. And Visina AI team, if you're watching this, hit me up. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.